So in this video, I was going to talk about Pickle in that at a high level. So to use the pickling feature in Python, you import Pickle. You need to have a file. Here I call it data.bin. And a little reminder to myself that, hey, I'm not dealing with text anymore. I use our standard with, right? But this is where things get a little bit different, is that sometimes if I want to read a text file, I'll go read, but here I just send in another little character B for binary. So read it as binary, not text. And then I go, hey, here's a variable equal to whatever you find in the file. Boom, it's in. And then I'm going to go through and cycle through the stuff, but only because I know what's in there and that. But we'll do a little bit of debugging. We'll maybe stop at line 20 here, just after we bring courses in so we can see what the heck it is. And so I'll go file, start debugging, current file. We'll stop at line 20, but we will have a variable called courses. There it is. If I look at it, it says it's got 6 things in there, 6 different courses, very much like our previous nested dictionary structure, just with more data. And inside those dictionaries, more dictionaries. So that is read in from the in file, data.bin. So I'm just going to actually just let it continue, and this is just me now printing out all the courses that are in each individual course that's in courses, right? But it's in this file here, and I'll just go, do you want to open it? Well, yes, I do. So it's a binary file. So every once in a while you might see some text in there that you recognize, Spatial Database Systems 1, in that, JST, but you see lots of little weird character question marks, little boxes, and that sort of thing, because what it is, it's a binary file. And so I talk about this in lecture, how pickling is different than JSON, because JSON is 100% text, and pickling is a binary way to serialize your objects. So the question would be, how did courses get in there, right? So we'll go take a look at the one that creates it or dumps it. So you load it to bring it back in, load, and you dump it to save it out, right? So here I am making it my nested dictionary. I have a out file name named data.bin. I open it this time for writing, but writing in binary format, right? I'll just expand this, and then I just dump out my dictionary. So p.dump, what do I want to dump? The courses variable, which is this nested dictionary. Where do I want to dump it? In the out file that I made with the with statement, and I just print done. Okay, so it's that easy to all you need is a file name, open up with the with statement. The key thing would be write binary, because that'll cause you problems, and then you would have to import the pickle module, and it's just pickle.dump and the variable you want to dump and where you want to dump it. And then on the other side, to bring it back in, some variable is equal to pickle.load, and then the in file. Important when you open the in file, it's read and it's binary. But for now, this concludes this video.